Hey, what's up everybody? Ted Lambert here with Dirty Habit Off-Road, and this is our 1972 Jeepster Commando that we have for sale. We had this vehicle here on consignment. It is actually a friend of my father's that completely rebuilt this Jeep. Everything on it has less than 1,000 miles. I'm going to go through a lot of the stuff that's been done, but really to see an itemized list of everything, go to our website, dirtyhabitoffroad.com. You can click on our inventory tab, click on this Jeep. You'll see a ton of pictures. I think I have about 150 some pictures up there, interior, exterior, underneath the engine compartment. There should be a video or two on there as well, including this one. You'll see a full write-up, and again, you'll have an itemized list of everything that's been done, plus pictures of the actual build sheet. This Jeep is in beautiful shape. It's definitely a head turner. They call it a Franken Jeep. It's got parts from a few different other Jeeps on this particular Commando, but just in excellent shape. Looks great, drives great. The paint is from a Jeep TJ. It's the medium fern green pearl coat. Very pretty color. You got the black grille, Smittybilt Stinger bumper. You have a worn winch, Bushwhacker fender flares. So your front and rear axles are Dana 44 axles from a Jeep Wrangler TJ Rubicon. So say an 06 Rubicon. So you have your lockers front and rear as well. Up front here you have chromoly axle shafts, and then these wheels are TJ Rubicon wheels, and then they're wrapped with BFG mud terrains 315 75/16. So you're running a 35-inch tire. Tread is like new. This Jeep has new rockers and also custom rock sliders to go with it. You have your TJ side mirrors. You have a custom roll cage as well. This door needs some adjusting. That's really the only little, I guess, blemish or thing that really sticks out to me that could be adjusted. But again, it just needs some sort of adjusting. That's not my forte. I can never get things like that to line up, so I don't even try. You have your dovetail in the rear hitch. You got a Smittybilt rear bumper with the swing arm, matching fifth wheel and tire. High lift jack attached back here to the roll bar. CB antenna. You have a custom exhaust, Flowmaster. The engine is a Jegs. It's a new 350 V8. It's not remanufactured or refurbished. It is a brand new SBC 350. It also has a Holley Truck Avenger 670 4-barrel carburetor with stainless steel throttle cables. The suspension is all new. Obviously it's lifted. I'll get into more of that later, but the springs, they're Alcan custom leaf springs. They were specifically tuned for this Jeep and this setup. When they were building this Jeep, they were asking them, are you going to have a spare tire? Is it going to be on the rear? Is it going to be in the bed? Or I'm sorry, where the back seat is? Or is it going to be on top? Or you have no spare? So they specifically tuned the suspension for the weight distribution. Same with the front. You're going to have a front bumper, you're going to have a winch, etc. so they can tune that suspension to fit the setup perfectly. BDS steering stabilizer. You have a custom aluminum tie rod bar. You have the Terraflex, the high steer kit. Thank you very much. Reverse shackle up front, just for the added flex. Custom drive shafts, front and rear. They're called high angle drive line. And the rear is a 1 ton. The Dana 44s have the solid diff covers. Here you have your adjustable tie rod ends. Adjustable sway bar end links connected to the Curry Interrock sway bar. Stainless steel brake lines. You have a new fuel tank with hoses. Looking for more things. The wiring was done professionally, so the wiring is top notch. Under the hood you also have a Whelen intake, yellow top Optima battery, 120 amp chrome alternator, a Griffin aluminum multi-core radiator with a custom mount and a 7-blade cooling fan. Let's pop this up and look at the good stuff. K&N filter. There's your battery there. Alternator. There's your cooling fan. There's your Griffin. There's the heavy duty power steering pump. All new brake system with lines. MSD. What are those things called? Spark plug wires. Then on the inside you have your high back seats. That's my earbud. Bedline floor. 5-speed manual transmission. It's a, I want to say an NV 3550 transmission. You have the 241J transfer case with the 4:1 crawl ratio. You have your auto meter. These are marine gauges. They're waterproof. Your speedometer is by the GPS, that little white piece there. So you have a GPS speedometer. There's your horn. This can be taken off, cleaned up, even resprayed, dyed to look brand new. There's your parking brake. This wrench here is your 4-wheel drive. Does come with a big car cover. A bikini top for, we'll say, a CJ7 or a Wrangler LJ. Something like that would fit. You have the little windshield bracket. You can run a bikini top and then latch it to the bar or to a footman loop. All right, if you have any questions, again, my name's Ted, Dirty Habit Off-Road. You can call the shop, 252-491-4900. You can call or text me on my cell, 804-852-4907. We can stop by the office here at Dirty Habit Off-Road. Again, 252-491-4900. Or call or text 804-852-4907. Again, just a beautiful Jeep, one of a kind.